Good evening, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Excel video lesson 12. In previous lesson, that is Excel video lesson 11, we studied nested if. With the help of nested if, we just find out either one student is failed or passed with the third class or passed with the second class as well as passed with first class. That is what we studied in the previous lesson, along with relational operator greater than equal to as well as less than. So now same thing, instead of having only one subject, in this lesson we are going to handle 5 subjects: Tamil, English, Maths, Science as well as Social Science. How we can find out one student is failed along with these 5 subjects as well as third class, second class, first class. Now we will see. As usual, I like to open worksheet that is called function. First we will see the previous example. See this formula, show formula. First, very simple. Here we are having some of the names as well as their Tamil marks. Here we are having one function. Already we know that if function contains 3 steps. One is condition, another one is true block, third one is false block. If the condition is true, then second thing, that is true block will be displayed. If the condition is false, third step, that is false block, that will be displayed, that is false will be displayed. Same thing. Yes, since we are having only one subject, B2 less than 35 is enough. What will happen if you are having English mark, Maths mark, Science mark, History mark? We will see now. Just I like it copied here. Go to new worksheet. I like to paste it here. I want to make a little bit bigger. Here I like to type English as well as Maths, Science, History or Social Science. Like we can have a Science. Just I type it randomly some more marks. So we are having some of the students as well as their mark list we are having. First we will see how we can conclude file. Who is filed here? By simply the mark list itself we can conclude Selvam is filed in Tamil, English, Maths, whereas in Science and Social Studies is passed. Whereas Guru is passed in all the subjects. As well as Bhaskar is filed in Tamil, since it is less than 35, he got very good marks in English, Maths, Science, History. See, even though Bhaskar is passed in all the subjects except Tamil, so he is considered to be filed. Whereas Selvam is filed in Tamil, English, Maths. In addition to that, Rani is filed in Tamil subject. Other than Tamil, he got very good marks. So we can conclude that if any one of the subjects, either Tamil is less than 35, or English is less than 35, or Maths is less than 35, or Science is less than 35, or Social is less than 35, he is considered filed. In other words, we can conclude that instead of Tamil, we can put either B2 is less than 35. B2 mark is available in dummy mark. Dummy mark is available in B2. If either B2 is less than 35 or C2 is less than 35 or D2 is less than 35 or E2 is less than 35 or F2 is less than 35, that boy is considered to be file. Then we will see how to write the function. Very simple. Equal to if as usual. Here I like to put one condition. Outside we put or. In previous case, we are having only one subject, that is B2 less than 35, that's all. Now we have to compare B2, C2, D2, E2 as well as F2. So we need outside book. So B2 less than 35, comma. And then English mark is available in C2. C2 less than 35, comma. D2 less than 35, comma. E2 less than 35. E2 less than 35, comma. F2 less than 35. Here R function is closed. Condition is closed. We need two bracket here. This green color bracket is for R. This violet color bracket is for condition. So condition is over. Then we have to put one true block. What is? It is file. Double quotes, comma. What about the false block? It should be pause. First we will consider only pause and file. Then we'll go for third class, second class, first class. That's all. This black bracket covers the if function. See here. Here B2 less than 35, D2 less than 35, D2 less than 35, E2 less than 35, F2 less than 35. If any one of the condition, we are having 5 conditions here. If any one of the condition is true, R gives true. Already we studied about logical operator and or not. The usage of R is if any one of the condition is true, the result will be true. Here we are having 5 conditions. First condition is B2. B2 less than 35, it is true. C2 less than 35, again also true. D2, that is 30, 30 less than 35, it is also true. Whereas 40 less than 35, it is false. 50 less than 35, false. True, comma, true, comma, true, comma, false, comma, false. R gives true. Why? Within bracket, if any one is true, result gives R gives true. So overall R gives true. The condition is true. Then what is available in true block? File is available, file will come. That's all, very simple. So similarly, drag it here. Check it out here. Here you got pause. How? We will check it out. R is there. B3 less than 35. 90. 90 less than 35. False. 80 false. 70 false. 60 false. 50 false. Within bracket, all are false. False, comma, false, comma, false, comma, false, comma, false. Are all false. Then R gives false. Already in previous lesson we studied about within bracket R, within bracket all are false. Then result will be false. If any one of the value is true, R gives true. If all the values are false, R gives false. Now all the values are false. Then R gives false. The overall condition gives false. What is available in false block? Now it is available false. False will be displayed. That's all. We can drag it here. See here. Here 20 is there. We will check it up here. B4 less than 35. That is 20 less than 35. True. 100 false, 99 false, 98 false, 97 false. No need to check everything. If one is true, result will be true. Then we'll get 5. Here also all are pass. Here also all are pass. Here also all are pass. Here, see it here. 34. 34 less than 35. So it is true. R gives true. Then true block is 5. That's okay, son. Now what about third class, second class? Instead of having pass, we can check it up. I just like to copy everything along with this also. Go to another sheet. I like to paste it here. First we'll go for file. Here I need blank. I need now third class, second class, as well as first class. First we will have file. Now file will come. Those are marks scored more than 35 or equal to 35 will give blank. So file part is over. See, we can check it up once again. Here true, 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 false, false. R gives true. Condition is true. File comes, no problem. What about here? 90 false, 80 false, 70 false, 60 false, 80 false. All are false. R gives false. Then false block contains blank. So blank comes here. Now instead of blank, we need either third class, second class, or first class. First, we will see about third class. How we can conclude one student got third class. In 5 subjects, he should score more than or equal to 35. In addition to that, in any one of the subjects, one or more than one subjects, if you got marks less than 50, it is assumed he in third class. Then, if the R gives false, it is assumed he got more than 35 or equal to in all the subjects. Then it comes here. Now we get to check it up. All the subject marks are more than or equal to 35. Now we have to check it up. Either Tamil is less than 50 or English is less than 50 or D is mathematics is less than 50 or science is less than 50 or social is less than 50. In other words, all the subjects got more than 35 or equal to 35. Now we get to check it up. Either B2 is less than 50, C2 is less than 50 or D2 is less than 50. Then same thing we have to put one more if here. 2 bracket again R. That means either B2 less than 50, B2 less than 50, comma, C2 less than 50, comma, D2 less than 50, comma, E2 less than 50, comma, F2 less than 50. So first we get to finish R, then we get to finish condition. Again, comma. Now for this if, we need, this is a condition, we need true block as well as false block. Now what about the true block here? It should be third class. If the R gives false, then we have to prove blank. Now we will see. So two ifs are there, we need 2 bracket at last. Okay, now put enter. Now file will come as well as third class will come. See here, he got third class. Why? 35 is there, 35, 36, 37, 38. So he is passed. That means in all the subjects he got more than or equal to 35, or in some of the subjects he got marks less than 50. We will check it up. This is 80 false, 35 false, 36 false, 37 false, 38 false. So the overall it gives false. So these are false. It comes here. Here B5 less than 50. Here 80 is there. 80 less than 50. It is false. Whereas C5, that is 35 is there. 35 less than 50, it is true. 36 less than 50, it is true. True, true. So within R, one is false, 4 truths are there. Even though one is true, inside R, it gives true. Now overall R gives true. The condition is true. Then third class will come. Simple. What about this one? We'll check it up. 100 less than 35, false. 99 false. 98 false. 97 false. 96 again false. All are false. R gives false. Then it comes here. Here also B6, 100 less than 50, false. 99 false. 98 false. 97 false. 96 false. Here also all are false. R gives false. Condition is false. Then blank will come. Third class will not come. Very simple. Now we'll go for second class. If the mark is, all the marks are greater than or equal to 50. In addition to that, if any one of the subjects or more than one of the subjects, the students got less than 60. That means the marks lies in between 50 to 60. He is considered to be passed with second class. Now, if this R gives false, then it is assumed all the subjects marks are more or than equal to 35. Again, this R gives false. It is assumed all the subjects marks are more or equal to 50. Now it becomes here. Now we have to check it up. Either B2 is less than 60 or C2 less than 60 or D2 less than 60 or E2 less than 60 or F2 less than 60. If we need two bracket or one more bracket, now we get to check it up. Less than 60, comma, C2 less than 60, comma, D2 less than 60, comma, E2 less than 60, comma, F2 less than 60. First R function is closed, for condition is closed, comma. Now we need true block for this condition. This is second class, comma. The condition is false. Now we'll have only blank, 3 bracket at last. Since we are having 3 if, put enter here. Now second class should come. We will see. I think there is no second class. We can have it here. Here got 49 marks. So I got, sorry, 49 means it will be third class. We can have 59. That means second class. We can check it up here. How second class comes. Here 90 false, 80 false, 59 false, 60 false, 80 false are all false. Then it is assumed all the marks are more or equal to 35. Then it comes here. 90 false, 80 false, 59 false, 60 false, 80 false. All are false. Then it is assumed all the subjects marks are more than 59. Then it comes here. B3, 80 less than 60, 90 less than 60, 80 less than 60, here 59 less than 60. It becomes true because 59 is there. 59 less than 60. It is true. Even though one is true, R gives true. The whole condition becomes true. Then it becomes second class. See it here. What will happen here? You will see it here. False, 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 false. All are false. Again it comes here. Here 100 false, 99 false, 98 false, 97 false, 96 false. Again all are false. It will come here. 100 false, 99 false, 98 false, 97 false, 96 also false. All are false. So it becomes blank. Now what will happen for first class? It is very simple. Wherever blank comes, we can directly put first class. Here blank is there. That means if the condition becomes false, that means that is assumed as all the subjects marks are more or equal to 60. Then it is assumed first class. Then only it gives false. Then write it here. Here first class come. Now we will check it up. 100 false, 99 false, 98 false, 97 false, 96 false. So it is assumed that if the R gives false, it is assumed all the subjects marks are greater than or equal to 35. Then it comes here. False, 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 false. Again also all are false. If this R gives false, it is considered all the subjects marks are more or equal to 50. It comes here. 100 false, 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 false. All R gives false. Then it is assumed, it is considered as all the subjects marks are more than or equal to 60. Then it gives false. It's a false block. For this condition, false block is first class. First class comes. That's all. So we will check it up once again. I like to put 35, 45, 55, 65, and then 75. See here, he passed with that class. Then I have just 55, 56, again second class. It automatically changed up. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. That is first class. If I put 34 here, again it becomes a 5. If you put 61 here, it becomes first class. Now we will see once again formula. Go to formula and then show formula. Don't be afraid since it is very big. It is very easy. You can have. It's not possible to hold function from year to year. Don't be afraid. I like to tell you, don't afraid by seeing the simple, very big formula. It is very simple. So don't try to do everything at a stage. You have to do one by one. First consider, first we got to up to file, you can finish it up. First if double open bracket or again open bracket b2 less than 35, comma c2 less than 35, comma d2 less than 35, comma e2 less than 35, comma f2 less than 35, double close bracket, comma within double quotes type file, comma double quotes space double quote close bracket. Then you will get file. And then you can change it at if from start with year. Instead of double quotes blank double quotes, you can start from year to year. Again after comma you can put open double quote space close double quote bracket for double if. So since we are having two if, we got at last we get to close bracket and then drag it here. You will get file as well as third class, and then change it for this third if. Instead of double bracket double quotes space, remove it and then put one more if there, double open bracket or open, we can proceed up to this one. At last after comma put open double quote space double quotes, three bracket you need it since we are having three if at last. Then you will get file third class as well as second class and then blank if it is there. Last step is whenever the blank space comes, it is assumed, it is considered you should be first class. Change the blank with first class and then drag it. That's all. So once I like to inform you, don't try to everything at a one stage. You have to do for step by step. First proceed with file and then proceed for third class and then second class and then first class. This is the usage of next. Okay. Now I stopped here itself. I hope all of you enjoyed this lesson. In next lesson, we will see little bit more